All right, happy Easter, everyone. This is a watch list video for Monday, April 17th, showing you the SPY here. Looks to be rolling over a bit. We'll see if it gets down to the lows from a few weeks ago, 231.61, if it finds some support in that area. IWM, the small cap ETF, also kind of rolling over, but has some support from a few weeks ago. So we'll keep an eye on those. I suspect people may be sold into the weekend, just in case by Monday we're in World War III. That's kind of the mindset of traders and people that try to predict what's going to happen. I never try to do that. I just trade them as they come to me. But we'll keep an eye on things. I suspect when we wake up Monday and the world is still here, we can get back to trading as normal and maybe get some afternoon choppiness every day. Who knows? But first one on my list for Monday, NYMX. Very tight, kind of a flag pattern under 450. Over 450, this looks really, really good. Certainly has room to run. So we'll watch that one. ADPT, if I zoom in a bit here, had this big pop here on, this would have been Thursday, and kind of a quiet inside day on Friday. Over Friday's high, over 275. It certainly looks good on the daily chart, but that has to go from 233 to 275. So we'll see where it opens. That's not like the only way I would take that trade. It might give me a narrow range for a while on Monday morning and then break out to the upside, in which case I could get long at an obvious price, but we don't know what it's going to do, so it goes on watch for now. Not in love with this one. DEPO had this really nice bounce about 5 sessions ago, came in a couple, and then it's really a couple days, it's really kind of coiling now. Here it is on 15-minute candles. So there's the big pop. And it seems like it's trying to find support in this area. So maybe up around here, it might get some upside momentum. We'll see. That is DEPO. Not in love with it, but we'll see. And I can't type today. NADL had this crazy gap up, sold off, but then closed strong and gapped up big the next day, only to sell off and then a gap down and sell off. So, but it's well above where it started this crazy rally from, right? It started down here, closed on April 10th. Hit 73 cents, so it's trading at 210. Definitely one to watch for a turn up on Monday, but again, only with a proper intraday setup. That one is interesting to me. CALI had a big move on Friday here and kind of closed strong, so let's keep watching that one, and maybe some of the other low flow Chinese plays. We'll see. And then lastly, I have CO. Very short list going into Monday. Couldn't find much. And this thing made a huge move on Friday, so it's not like I'm looking to get long over 820. I can't read. Over 806. It's not the way I would play something like this. It had a huge move. Go back and look at the candles on the daily. You just don't see a bigger candle than this. And even this huge move was on less than 1 million shares to tell you how kind of thin this stock trades. Let's grab a look at the weekly real quick. And this is going back quite a ways. It has room to run, but it's come too far too fast. So I just want to watch this one all week. I'd like to see it come in for a few days first. All right. Anyway, happy Easter again. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see everybody on Monday.